Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here with Eternity Warrior Fit channel. Thanks for coming back. So this is day 3 of our 30 days to sexier abs. So excited to be here with you guys. So today we have 8 intervals, 45 seconds, no rest. You guys can do this. It's 6 minutes. You can do anything for 6 minutes, right? So I want to tell you, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you tap that bell because we have all kinds of stuff coming up on this channel. Recipes, anti-aging tips, powerful workouts. Don't forget. So let's get started, okay? Come down to your mat. Actually, you know what? This routine is a standing routine. So it's kind of different than what you're used to. And if you're not used to getting down on the ground and you don't want to, this is a perfect routine for you. So let's get started. The first exercise, so just stand tall, take a deep breath in, and we'll get started. So opposite elbow to opposite knee. And just do as many as you can in that 45 seconds. If you want to pick it up and get your cardio in, see this is level 1, level 2. Maybe you want to add a hop, or maybe you want to just go faster. We have 20 seconds on the clock. The hop looks like this. You're getting a little cardio in too, and maybe an extra squeeze, because if that elbow comes outside of the knee, you're getting a little bit more depth there into your obliques. So the idea, 5 seconds, keep it going. Breathe. 2, 1, right into high knees. So just bring your arms forward and bring your knees up. Now, instead of the obliques, we're targeting those middle abs, and which gives you that nice little line there. So you can pull it in. If you want to pick it up, level 2, you can go faster. But the higher you get those knees, the better you can engage your core and the stronger you're going to feel. 14 seconds on the clock, guys. Keep it moving. Keep those abs engaged. All right? Toe touches are next. So you're just going to kick that leg out. And now you might not touch your toe, but that's okay. So just bring that leg up as much as you can. So maybe you're here, and that's okay. But every time we lift our leg, we are using our lower abs. Every time we twist our body and touch opposite hand to opposite foot, we are also using our transverse obliques and abdominals. Good job, 10 seconds. Next, we have a wide squat coming up. Last one. Good. Open it up wide. Pretend like you're holding a beach ball, and you're going to take a squat, and then that knee up, you're going to turn to the same side where that knee comes up. Okay? So it's down, up, squat, up. And really open up your arms, soft elbows. Pretend like you're holding a giant beach ball, and keep it moving. This one gets your heart rate up. 10 seconds. Give it all you got. With 6-minute abs, we have to really engage our core. And the next one is walkout. So bring it all the way down, toes and heels out, and just start to walk it out until you come to the balls of your feet, and then walk it right back. Good. Now you can come up for level 2 and engage that core. Back down, walk it out. See how many you could do. Use your core strength with a flat back to bring you up. Walk it out, engage that core. It's a wide leg plank. It's a moving plank. And we have 5 seconds. Enough time for one more. Good job. Next one, we have reverse swan dive. So come feet together and take a deep inhale up and exhale down. Engage those abs. And now reverse swan dive. Engage the abs, push into the feet, and just keep swan diving with a flat back. And now engage the core to come up. Deep breath, arms out to the side. Swan diving down. We have 15 seconds. Push into the feet to engage the lower abs. Reach high. And 5 seconds here with the arms out. And then we're going to do the same thing with the arms forward. So swan dive forward, reaching the arms out, flat back. And now scoop it up using those abs to come up. Again, swan dive down, flat back, and now scoop it up, pushing in the heels. Push those feet together. And now down with the flat back. Good. Now inhale all the way up, engaging your core. Reach high, arms by your ears, all the way down. Good. 5 seconds. Engage that core. It doesn't matter how many you do. A little harder with your arms together, right? Good. So the last one, we're going to do an elbows together boxing twist. So take job. So from here, just step out, okay? And now you're in sort of like a wide leg squat. Move down a little bit, sit down into your squat, and then elbows together. We're gonna twist, twist, twist. So your toes are out, heels are in, and you're engaging every single muscle in your core and really try to get the range of motion. Try not to twist your hips face forward, and you're twisting your waist. Keep breathing as you go as fast or as slow as you need to go. Couple more seconds, guys. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! 6-minute abs. Good job. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know how you like the standing series. And also subscribe. We have so much on this channel. We have health, we have nutrition, we have recipes. We're going to start with some anti-aging. And so subscribe, tap the bell. We love you. We'll see you tomorrow.